Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the complete solution to 2022 Time Zone 1 Higher Level Paper 1. Question 20. Here you have a power supply of 12 volts EMF and 3 identical resistors at the bottom. Let's combine K and L together to make it as an equivalent single resistor, KL. The resistance of it will be half of the original. Meanwhile, M is simply R. On the right hand side, we have removed the resistor L, leaving the resistance of K be R and the resistance of M be R. And I'll use green pen to indicate their potential. The potential will be 12 volts here and 0 volts here. And it is 0 volts right after the resistor M, and it will be still 12 volts before KL. As their resistance are not identical, so their voltage is going in ratio as well. The one on the left hand side is going to take 1/3 of the total potential difference. So it's going to take 1/3 of 12 volts. Therefore, it is 4 volts and 8 volts on the right. 4 volts of potential difference, which means it's dropped by 4 from 12 volts on the left, leaving it at 8 volts. And it will drop by 8 down to 0 volts and then going back to the cell. Green are the potential. Red numbers, they are the potential difference. The same go to the right hand side, as these two resistors K and M, they are completely the same, so they will share the potential difference equally, 6 volts each. The potential on the left hand side of the cell is 12 volts, on the right hand side of the cell is 0 volts. So it's dropped by 6 down to 6 volts, and then it dropped by 36 down to 0 volts. You can see that the potential at point X is reduced from 8 volts to 6 volts, so it's dropped by 2. Thank you for staying with me to the end. Don't hesitate to leave your question or request in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time.